Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals. Come to you live from Asia, guys. What a poo-poo schmata show that we have right now. So crypto kind of sucks right now. We're going to be talking about why crypto dumped, what happened at the FOMC meeting, what happened with core PPI, what has mitigated this like 5 to 6% dump we're seeing. Things looking not so good. And is Dogecoin X money, is that history? Is that Dunsville? We're going to be talking about that and much more in this video. And yeah, is there any hope? Is there any hope for you and me and crypto out there? So we're going to explore that. Yeah, so don't forget to go and smash the likes, show some love. And remember, none of this is financial advice, just the OG in the house. And I do got my Jew. My throat's hoarse. I got a horse in the back of my throat, so if I'm coughing, don't beat me up in the comments. Don't beat me up in the comments, guys. So go back and watch all my other videos. I appreciate it. So what's going on? Basically, all the stocks are down. They got a wreck. Dow Jones is down 1%. S&P is down over 1%. And NASDAQ is down as well. What happened with gold? Gold dumped. Silver dumped. Copper dumped. Everything dumped. How about oil? The only thing that went up was oil. Oil went up as well. And yeah, it's just a poopish amount of day. Like, look at this. Wow. There's so much red there. I need sunglasses from the glare. We're seeing that Bitcoin is down 4.26%. It's come back up a little bit, but it's still nasty and gnarly out there. Ethereum is down 6%. XRP is giving up most of its gains it had in the last couple of days. Take a look at the if we take a look at the bubbles, yeah, not too. Siren is still up. We talked about that. It was up 23% yesterday, up another 16%. That's kind of interesting, but basically everything is down. Down. For the month, Bitcoin is still up. For the year, we're down 13%. XRP right now is down 35% for the year. That sucks. Down 1.6% for the month. Sucks. Out there. The DOGE is down 43%. I tell you. It's not good, guys. It's not good. Yeah. I'm feeling it. My portfolio, I'm feeling it. I mean, I got nothing good to say about crypto right now, except that, the only thing you can do right now is hold the fort. And hopefully, things will get better. Never sell a loss out there. This is a good time to be. This may be a good time to buy more. I don't know. Maybe if you got some cash on the sidelines, buy some more. Fear and greed is at 23 right now. And yesterday, our core PPI was 3.5 out there. We're going to talk about that more. What does that mean in a second? We're going to be talking about that more. Smash the likes, guys, out there. So far for March. The returns for Biddy, itty bitty baby, yeah, it was like 12% beginning of the week, and now it's down 6%. So we're kind of giving up half of that. Not looking good at all. Market cap is down 1.07%. Not good. Coughing. OG's coughing. I've been coughing for a couple of days. I don't know what's going on. Yeah. Market cap is down 3.84%. Bad. Fear and greed is at 34. Altcoin season, and that's not going to happen. Right now, we're kind of neutral. We're not oversold, not overbought, kind of neutral right now. Ethereum is down as well, 5.73%, I said earlier. BNB is down. So where's Solana? Solana Wana is down. And Doge is on life support right now. So here we had the FOMC meeting. We'll talk about that in a second, but this FOMC meeting wasn't good news, right? Exactly as I predicted, though, right? Sorry, this is Doge. What's going on? Where's my Bitcoin? Oh, geez, having technical difficulties. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's the sore throat. The sore throat's doing it. The sore throat's doing it. Okay, so as you can see, here's the FOMC meeting. Huge dumpski. Exactly as I predicted, right, guys and girls. I said that if you don't get good news, we'll probably see Bitcoin go all the way down to 68. So we did see Bitcoin hit a low of 70,500. So it's come up a little bit, right, at 71.2. So it's okay, but Not looking good. We had a lot of longs liquidated, a ton of longs liquidated. Like the longs just got wiped out. $381 million worth of long. Like I said, never leverage trade. It is bad freaking news. Dogecoin down below 10 cents to be expected. Big flush out, big flush out. Dogecoin is down once again, dumped because of the FOMC meeting. So what's going on? Justin, let's listen to what Jerome Powell, Powell has to say. Then we'll get to core PPI, the FOMC. What's causing the dump? Is there a silver lining anywhere? Let's talk about it. Okay, listen to what Jerome Powell. I think he's out of here soon.
But the implications of events in the Middle East for the U.S. economy are uncertain. In the near term, higher energy prices will push up overall inflation, but it is too soon to know the scope and duration of the potential effects on the economy. But the implications of events in the Middle East.
Okay, so basically saying that prices are going to go up. This is going to drive inflation. Okay, because we're all feeling the pinch of the pump, right? Here in Vietnam, gas is almost like COVID times. So right now we're seeing there was no rate cut, no pivot, no relief. So at the March 18, 2026 FOMC meeting, the Fed held rates at 3.5 to 3.75, so unchanged. This is the second consecutive pause in 2026. So why there's no rate cut? So I kind of spell out here. The Fed stuck between two major forces: war plus energy shock. Iran conflict, oil and gas spike, inflation risk rising again. Powell may be transitory but risky, right? So Powell basically thinks that there's going to be inflation, so that's why he didn't lower the interest rates. They're stuck the same. The Fed can't ease without risking another inflation wave. Inflation is still too hot, according to Powell. 2026 forecast raised to 2.7 from 2.4. Inflation is not cooling fast enough, so that's why there's no rate cut. Cutting rates now is too dangerous, according to Powell. The real shock, the dot plot. Markets were expecting 3 rate cuts. That's the reality. We didn't get that, okay? Only 1 cut for 2026. So market reaction instant. Basically, Bitcoin went from 76 to 71. Bang, dump. Dow Jones lost 760 points. NASDAQ down 1.5%. Gold slipped below 49,000. So why the freaking sell-off? Well, why the sell-off? Well, it already been priced in. Aggressive rate cuts, easier money. The Fed just killed the narrative. That's kind of what happened, okay? So that's kind of the narrative, right? So the crypto dump on March wasn't random. It was a perfect storm. Over 100 billion, well, now we know 381 billion wiped out in 24 hours. Here's what really happened. Jerome Powell was hawkish. Markets expected rate cuts. Instead, the Fed dropped the bomb ski and only 1 rate cut, not 3. Higher for longer is bad for crypto. The cheap money narrative, dead. BTC momentum towards 75K got crushed instantly. Geographical black swan. This came then came the real shock. Strike on Iran's South Pars gas field, oil spikes, stagflation fears, capital rotates, gold, crypto down, right? People have been going nuts on gold. BTC 76, now under 71. Gold hit an all-time high, but it's down, right? It's down. So let's talk about X money. X money launched, but not how bulls hold. Fiat first rollout, not crypto, right? This is kind of a bummer, right? Speculators exited. Doge dropped 6%. Hype died. Liquidity followed. Liquidation cascade. This is where it accelerated fast. 525 million longs liquidated in 60 minutes. BTC rejected at 75.4 to 76K. Stop loss chain reaction, small dip, full scale dump. Bottom line, this wasn't one event. It was macro, a geopolitical narrative, plus leverage hitting all at once. That's how markets really break. And it broke. It freaking broke, guys. It freaking broke. So, yeah, Bitcoin risk dropped below 70K as PPI sparks market sell. So also PPI wasn't good. It was like the highest ever this year. Okay, so that's not good. Powell just said the Fed is in a difficult situation. Let me tell you, I just explained. Powell, the prowler is history out there, so not looking good. So yeah, Doge is kind of, going through these mini cycles. We've heard this before: accumulation, market correction, repeat. Let's freaking hope that we can get ourselves back up again. We've been talking about this. I'm not giving up, but I'm not highly speculative. The good news: crypto Doge whale just scooped 470 million tokens in 72 hours, while the price sits at just below 10 cents. So this is kind of good. I mean, people are still accumulating the Doge, right? This is pretty good. Daily active addresses surge 176% in 1 week. I'm going to be buying some Doge today. That's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. X Money will launch in the United States with early public access beginning in April, but it's going to be fiat. It's not going to be crypto. So that's kind of like, everyone's kind of like poo-poo schmata on that one, So that's kind of it. Senator Lewis says Bitcoin crypto market structure bill will pass as early as April. So that's kind of all I got for you. It's a bad day. It's just like a cascade of events, guys. So what can I say? If you got crypto, don't sell a loss. If you got dry powder, pick up, buy the dips. Hey, what the fuck, blood out of my chin? What the heck? What's the cut myself shaving? Cut myself shaving. Even not only is the crypto bleeding out, the OG bleeding out as well. Lost my voice. The only God's grace is that God is good. So guys, be well, be blessed. I love you all. God bless.